So one of the things that you can do is work around with the grid inside of Corel Draw. So in order to work around with grid, first of all, you need to go around onto the view menu and then go to grid right here. And over here, you can see that document grid is an option right here. If I were to go around and zoom in, you can see that grid is like a reference point right here that you can go around and then utilize for your shapes right here. Let's say, for example, so now I can go around and place the shapes wherever I want. If I were to go around onto view right here, I can go around and see that I got document grid and I got baseline grid as well. So let's just go around onto view, and if I were to go around onto snap to, then you can see that document grid is an option. If I were to go around and do that, you can see that it snaps onto the grid right here just like this. And then it becomes easy for me to actually go around and create multiple objects. I'm pressing Ctrl C and V in order to go around and then copy and paste out the content right here. And you can see that I can snap it onto the exact spot right here. Apart from that, you can also go around over here onto grid right here, and that is what you have, as you can see. And you also have the baseline grid snapping right here. So you can see that apart from the regular grid, it also snaps to the baseline grid. Now let me just go around and disable out the document grid right here, and then disable out the snap to document grid as well, just like this. So I'm just going to enable baseline grid, and you can see that it snaps onto the baseline grid right here, just like this. It just snaps it up right there, it snaps it up right there, it snaps it up right there, just like that, as you can see right here, just like this. So you can also go around onto the ruler area. If you don't see the ruler, you can enable up the ruler and right click and then go to grid setup as well. So once you go around over here, you can see that there's grid line per inch right here. Like you can go around, change around the horizontal and vertical, enable out the snap to grid and show the grid as dots as well, just like this right here. So let's just go around and disable the baseline grid, press OK. Then you can see that instead of regular grids, you got the dot grids right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can go around onto the grid setup right here and then disable out the document grid, and then change around the spacing of the baseline grid and change around the color of the grid according to how you want as well, just like this. You can also start from the top and then change around the pixel grid right here, just like this, and then change around different options right here, just like this, as you can see. So it can be inches apart or grid lines apart. Press OK, and then you get the settings that you want right here. So let's just go around onto the grid setup and show the grid right here, just like this, and press OK, and then you can see that the color of the grid changes out and the snap is on as well. So that is how you can work around with grids inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.